हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। स्वागत है आप सभी का मेहता पीजी कॉलेज ऑनलाइन गैलरी में। बीएससी पार्ट फर्स्ट पेपर थर्ड एल्गी ब्रायोफाइट एंड लाइकेन। में जो हमारा हॉट टॉपिक चल रहा है अभी, टॉपिक इज टाइप्स ऑफ लाइफ cycle in algae. In the last session, we consider here 5 type of life cycle. First one is haplontic. In this type of life cycle, a single phase is dominant and the dominance is gametophyte phase. Diploid phase only represented by zygote for a very few time. It cannot be dominant, only recessive. So it is also considered as monophagic life cycle. Another second one is diploid, diplontic life cycle. It is also considered as monophagic life cycle. Okay students, and in this type of life cycle the main plant thallus या parent plant thallus is diploid, termed as sporophyte. So in the complete cycle, the sporophyte या diploid phase is dominant and recessive gametes या haploid only represent by a gamete formation. ठीक है. In third one is diplo haplotic life cycle. In diplohaplontic life cycle, it is considered as डाइफेजिक. इन दिस एक्चुअली में अगर अपन बात करें तो यहाँ पे फेजेस तो 3 हो सकती हैं. फर्स्ट फेज इज डिप्लॉयड, सेकेंड फेज इज ऑल्सो डिप्लॉयड एंड थर्ड फेज इज second phase is haploid and third phase is also diploid. That represent by parents, that represent by gametophyte progeny and that represent by zygote. But zygote is very short lived, so it cannot be considerable as a phase. इसलिए हम यहाँ पे केवल 2 phases की बात करते हैं, diploid और haploid. In this type of life cycle, they have differentiate into 2 categories, isomorphic and anisomorphic life cycle. Fourth one is haplontic life cycle. It is also diphagic. Clearly 2 generations present in their altered position. Haplontic life cycle. So today we here discuss 4th type of life cycle, haplontic. और हम इसे एक नाम और दे सकते हैं, ऑल्सो नोन एज हैप्लोबायोटिक लाइफ साइकिल. In this type of plant life cycle, the main parents are haploid, means gametophyte. And it is haploid in nature. In favorable conditions, few species are show vegetative reproduction. First of all, in here cannot be considered as favorable or unfavorable conditions. The main gametophyte thallus bear sex organs. Bear gametangia. Sex organs. Here we consider them in a particular name like as male and as female. In algae, we termed male reproductive organ as antheridium or spermatangium. Spermatangium, and female is termed as carpogonium. Carpogonium. Spermatangium as male reproductive organ and carpogonium represent as female reproductive organ. Because the main thallus is haploid, so here the division also occurs as mitotic division. Mitosis division. In Carpogonia, they develop eggs or ovums, and in Spermatangium they develop spermatia. They represent as gametes. They represent as gametes by fertilization or syngamy. Fertilization or syngamy. They develop zygote. Represent a diploid structure. That zygote undergoes meiosis. meiosis division develop meiospore, and these meiospores are haploid in nature. It is very important. Zygote convert into haploid stage meiospores. By the germination, these meiospores develop carposporophyte. On their development stage, in favorable conditions, carposporophyte develop carposporogonium. These carposporogonium undergoes mitotic division mitosis division. They develop carpospores. These carpospores are also haploid in nature, and by the germination of each carpospores give rise to a gametophyte plant thallus. Germination. So, in this kind of life cycle, the haploid phase are by gametophyte, gametangia, gametes, and fertilization. That is, a single phase is an haploid termed as gametophyte, and it is dominant. Second, a very little bit phase is zygote, is also 2n, and another is N phase, also haploid, but it is very important to know that stage is parasite or dependent on gametophytes. So, in this type of life cycle, we are discuss that majorly two stages are here. First one is also haploid, and the another is also haploid. A middle phase 2n also represented by zygote, and it is a very it is for very few time, that cannot be morphologically independent. ठीक है, तो हम एक सिंपल सी लाइन में लिख सकते हैं कि इन दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल टू हैप्लॉइड, कौन कौन सी, गैमेटोफाइट एंड कार्पो स्पोरोफाइट phases are altered with a diploid to an zygote phase. So the zygote phase is negligible and first and third phase will be considerable. So we can say that is diphagic life cycle and termed as haplontic life cycle. The perfect example of this cycle is Lemmy-Leon Nima-Leon। इसी में एक एग्जाम्पल और हम दे सकते हैं बैट्रैको spermum, but the life cycle of Batrachospermum is more complex than Lemmy-Leon. Means in Carposporophyte the juvenile phase of gametophyte is known as Cantresia. Here, in the germination stage, the carposporophytes are in resting phase and they are termed as Cantransia. 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 Haplontic या लाइफ साइकिल okay, then the fifth one is haplo diplontic in their name also considered as triphagic. Triphagic means a main dominant is haploid, then two diploid phases are altered to complete the whole cycle. The best example of haplodiplontic phase is Polysiphonia. Fifth one is haplo, diplo, diplontic. Also termed as haplo, diplo, biontic. We consider it in next class.